Oh, hello, people, internet. Um, yeah, I made a little tattoo gun, and I'm gonna try to use it, in a future up and coming video. Made it out of a toothbrush, and with a needle, and it goes up and down, crest bend, or something like that. And, what I did is I removed the toothbrush part, and put an eraser down in there, and then use guitar string to go through a pen cap. And yeah, it works. So I'm gonna tattoo him with that. And I forgot to show you my other tattoo. I have one more. It's on my leg. Right there. Alright. So, yep. I made that video.